account. So, punta po tayo sa ating Gmail. So, ayan po yung mga Gmail natin. Manage your Google account. Then, punta po tayo sa data and privacy. Scroll lang po natin pababa. So, ito po, delete your Google account. Your device will ask for your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. So, ito lang natin. Continue. Hindi po ako gumamit ng fingerprint. So, ano natin itong use PIN. So, enter your current PIN. Then, continue. Ayan. So, delete your Google account. Please read this carefully. It's not the usual blah blah. So, scroll lang po natin. Then, ito na basahin here. If you have any pending financial transactions, you will still be responsible for those charges. Yes, I acknowledge that I will still, yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. So, ito, click natin yung ito, yes. I want to permanently delete this Google account and all this data. So, ito, delete account. Ay, ito pa. Ayan. Click pala natin yan. Then, delete account. So, ayan guys, na-delete na po. Ayan. Thank you. Sana po makatulong kung gusto nyo pong mag-delete ng account. Salamat!